Most millionaires weren't born rich. They built wealth through habits, discipline, and mindset. Today, I'll reveal 10 millionaire habits you can copy right now. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch your life change. Habit 1. Wake up early. Millionaires wake up before the world does. Early mornings mean focus, no distractions, and time to plan ahead. Success starts while everyone else is still asleep. Habit 2. Daily reading. They feed their minds every single day. Warren Buffett spends hours reading. Even 15 minutes a day compounds into massive knowledge over years. Habit 3. Health first. Without health, wealth is useless. Millionaires exercise, meditate, and eat well. Energy equals productivity, and productivity builds success. Habit 4. 3 priorities. Daily. Millionaires don't chase endless to-do lists. Every morning, they pick 3 priorities that matter most. Clear focus beats busy work every time. Habit 5. Networking. Smart, your network is your net worth. Millionaires build relationships with ambitious people. They avoid negative circles and grow their connections constantly. Habit 6. Save and invest automatically. They don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. They pay themselves first. Money flows into investments automatically before spending. Wealth grows quietly in the background. Habit 7. Limit distractions. Millionaires don't waste hours scrolling social media. They treat focus like money. Attention is the real currency of success. Habit 8. Calculated risks. They don't gamble blindly. But they're not afraid to take big risks when odds are in their favor. Playing it safe keeps most people stuck. Habit 9. Gratitude. Practice gratitude creates abundance. Millionaires reflect daily on what they're thankful for. Abundance attracts more opportunities. Habit 10. Consistency. This is the ultimate secret. Millionaires don't get rich overnight. They repeat smart habits every single day. Consistency turns small actions into massive success. Outro. Success leaves clues. Copy these 10 habits. Stay consistent. Which one will you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more millionaire mindset videos.